I'd like to give you a tip to make preparing your will simpler and less expensive. There are two categories of property that you own. The first category is personal items. The second category is what I like to refer to as the big stuff. When you meet with an attorney, you generally discuss what to do with the big stuff. However, you probably want to save certain personal, sentimental items for the important people in your life. Don't make an appointment with an attorney in order to discuss your personal items. It can be expensive, inconvenient, and depressing. The best way to leave personal items is through a personal letter. The personal letter is a legal document that must be mentioned in and kept with your will. However, unlike your will, the personal letter doesn't need to be written by an attorney. With a personal letter, you are allowed to leave personal items simply by describing the item and naming the recipient. And you can change it whenever you like, as long as you keep the most recent version together with your will. The personal letter gives you more freedom to decide what you'd like to do with those personal, sentimental items that mean so much to you. When you're ready to plan your future, let us know, because we have the tools to help you reach your goals.